I don't know, man. Like fucking. I've been trying to move out for like the past 4 fucking years, bro. And like my parents are fucking broke as hell, dude. And we like fucking moved into this shitty fucking house. And then this is such a fucking great idea. And it's like, they're so fucking stupid, bro. Like, I'm so fucking sick and tired of my fucking parents, dude. And I'm so sick and tired of fucking living with them. I'm sick and tired of it being comfortable and safe and warm and comforting. Like, I'm sick of this bullshit, bro. Like, this shit is fucking bullshit. Like, I don't give a fuck if this fucking, like, pisses people off, bro. I don't give a fuck. Like, my life is going nowhere. It's going nowhere, dude. And it's like, I don't give a fuck if it's the things I'm doing. Like, I'm in the wrong place at the wrong fucking time. Like, God's like, oh, you're in the right place. Yeah, maybe for survival, God. Maybe for survival, Paul and God. But it's like, it's not benefiting me in the fucking slightest. And I fucking hate it. Like, my energy is wasted. My energy is wasted here, bro. And I fucking hate it. Like, and then my dad's like, oh, why don't you go work for me? And then it's like, then I'm going to be depressed and then blow off all my fucking money on weed, but just to fucking go do the fucking job again. And I'm like, fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit. I'm sick and tired of just being stuck to the same fucking dumbass fucking job every fucking day of my fucking goddamn existence, bro. I'm so fucking sick of this shit. Like, I want out of this shit, bro. Like, I shouldn't have to fucking intoxicate the fuck out of myself just to fucking feel good about my fucking existence, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I should not have to fucking feel like this at all. I should fucking love my existence and not hate it. And my fucking brother just sits and borrows a fucking truck to go smoke weed and they just allow it. And I'm like, you guys are fucking failures, dude. Like, you guys are failures as parents. Like, I just want out of my fucking family's house, bro. I fucking hate them and I fucking hate this town and I hate fucking living here, dude. It's so fucking depressing and I hate the living fucking Christ out of it. Like, I'm going nowhere with my fucking life, and it's like they don't see any of that, and it's like they're just like my dad's only solution to anything is just getting fucking drunk and wasted out of your fucking mind, and it's like, dude, this isn't sustainable. This isn't a life. This isn't it's all right once in a while, but it's like doing this all the fucking time is not sustainable, pal. Right? Like, this is just some fucking mega fucking bullshit in your fucking face. I don't give a fuck what people think, bro. I'm as toxic as fuck. I'm Gen Z. I don't give a shit. I'm sick and tired of this fucking fag bullshit, dude. Like, I want to be fucking making bands. And fuck all you. Sick of this shit. Every fucking day, man. I'm sick of my fucking parents. It's so fucking dumb. So fucking dumb, dude. Like, I fucking hate them. I want to leave and never come back ever again. That's why I said, like, I joined the Marines. Or I can't fucking find a way of escaping, bro. And God is just like, you gotta be here. It's like, well, God doesn't know everything, bro. God's just a fucking little dinkle-winkle fucking twinkle toe that doesn't have any... they got their fucking... I wish I was in New York right now, bro. Like, I wish I was, like, in where the people were at. The networking. I don't give a shit how fucking expensive and fucking cancer-ass fucking stressful it is. I want fucking out of this place, bro. I'm sick of this fucking dump. I'm sick of this fucking shit, dude. Every day I live this shit. It's just like, is this really all I'm capable of? Are you serious? Fucking faggots, dude. Just sick of this shit. Every fucking day I gotta live this crap. Every fucking day. I never get a fucking break of this shit. And it's like, oh, god damn it, man. I love this shit. No, I'm not satisfied. I'm hungry like a fucking caged animal, like a fucking savage fucking psychopath fucking animal. I am not satisfied. Fuck your beliefs. Fuck your weak little ass bitch ass fucking mentality. Sick of this cancer ass shit. The only other option is going fucking homeless, and I think that's the best I can fucking do. And I'm like, you guys are a bunch of fags. Like, I just, God, what a dump hole, dude. It's just, I hate it here. You know? It's just, fuck, dude. I can't even believe it's 6 minutes. It felt like it was 30 seconds. I'm already at 6 minutes of this fucking video. Every fucking day of this shit. Nothing's going fucking nowhere, pal. And, you know, I just like, I'm so closed off in the world. I'm 22. I have no experience. I'm just held off from the rest of the fucking globe. And I've never been anywhere in my entire existence. It's extremely fucking depressing. And they think this shit's fucking normal. They think this shit's just like, oh, you're just okay. Just fucking wake up, dink away at your fucking cancer fucking job. And it's just, I have this intense ass fucking concentrated toxic fucking energy in me that just like, I'm gonna fucking punch that fucking goddamn light pole over there in the background. I'm fucking so fucking pissed off. Like, I'm sick of this crap, dude. This is not a life. This is a waste away and watch yourself fucking grow into fucking 30 overnight. Like that. You know, just click, pop. All my energy, all my skills are just down the fucking drain, you know, just wasted. Utterly fucking wasted. Just a gigantic, fat fucking waste of fucking time here. And they don't see that as a problem. It's just like, you fucking losers. Just work. You know, it's just like, I wanna build. I wanna grow. You don't know me. Fucking losers. Fucking don't understand. Fine. Be like, sit that. I don't give a fuck what you think. I'm sick of this fucking bullshit. Just an entrepreneur fucking pal and fucking balling. I'm gonna be balling hard. Harder than anyone. No, this has been festering, pal. Festering for years. Give or take 8 fucking years. Give or take back. year and back here and there. It's fucking bullshit. There's a world. There's a world out there. And you don't want to fucking explore it. Because you're too scared. I may be fucking drunk, pal, but this is my fucking raw goddamn fucking attitude, Phil. I don't care. Fucking death threatened me. I don't give a fuck at this point. What is this life, huh? Is this it? Is this it? This is all you can do? This is all you're made of? Huh? Pathetic. Fucking pissed off with these fuckers. Fucking low ass little fucking germ life. Bite fucking concrete. I'm so fucking mad. None of the drugs can fucking numb my fucking ego. None of it! I need another fucking smoke. Can't get enough of this smoke. God! You should be infuriated with your life! This is not enough!